Here's a quick and easy pasta recipe. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need pasta of your choice, spinach, colored bell pepper, oregano, thyme, chili garlic sauce, pureed tomatoes, chopped onions, garlic, salt, and pepper. In a large pot, add water and salt. Cover with lid and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the pasta. In another pot, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and your chopped onions. Sauté the onions for a few minutes. Once the onion is soft, we are going to add the garlic. Add a pinch of salt. Once the onion and garlic mixture is cooked for a few minutes, add your bell pepper, oregano and thyme, and mix everything well together. Add the salt to your taste, black pepper to your taste. Mix everything well together and cook for a few more minutes. Now add the pureed tomatoes. Add about half teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. You can add more if you like spicy. Now add the spinach and mix. Check your seasoning at this point and add more if you like. Now add the boiled pasta. Mix everything together. Once the pasta has been cooking for a few minutes, we are ready to serve. Add a splash of lemon juice. Serve the pasta with a big side of salad. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.